Hello and welcome to Mountain Aromatics. I'm back. I am here with my friend Hexalactone Gamma. Hexalactone Gamma. H-E-X. I say that because there are a number of other ones, but this one starts with H-E-X. Hexalactone, and they're all a little similar, but then there's definitely some differences. So this one is 128 hours on the test strip. It's a middle note, and the average use is 12, but you can use more or less, doesn't matter. This is sweet, creamy, lactonic, like milky. Tobacco, coumarin, and green coconut. Not green, but like green, the green coconut. Very clean creaminess. Brighter, less heavy than some of the other lactones. And I think that is why the description fits perfectly well with the green coconut. It's almost like it's almost like coconut milk. You know how it's clean? It still has a little bit of lactone in it, the milkiness in it. This is really light and not as heavy, clean, and is not so coconut. Now, when I say tobacco, I don't get tobacco from here, but it does remind me of coumarin. That it does. To me, it's a support for tobacco. I don't get tobacco leaf. I don't. But this is just lighter than a lot of the other decalactone, dodalactone, some of the others, gamma octalactone, OCT, octalactone, hepalactone, HEP. To me, those are heavier, more coconutty, that type of thing. And this one, to me, is a little bit, the coconut here is not so much creamy, heavy coconut as green coconut, the lighter type. So that's kind of why I wanted to go over this one, because to me, this one's a little bit different than most of them. And so to me, I think it is more universal. It could be used more universally, because it could go into a number of, I think, jasmine, tuberose, gardenia, even ylang ylang. It could go with that. Those are the main ones that I think of. So if you're doing a fragrance like that and you want a little bit of lactone that's not so heavy and so milky and coconut meaty, this is a perfect go-to for that. So also, though, again, I said with your tobacco, if you're doing a hay, tobacco, coumarin, anything in that arena, this as well. It's just not going to be as heavy as some of the other lactones. So there you go. Again, Hex, H-E-X, Hexalactone Gamma. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. And I will see you on the next Mountain Aromatics.